In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your data easy to read right here in Google Sheets. So we're going to be using the conditional formatting, specifically the color scales, to quickly highlight trends and make our data instantly readable. And I have my example data set right here, and we're going to start by highlighting the column that we want to format. And that's obviously our performance column right here for each of those employees. Go ahead and highlight that. There you have it. Then we're going to go to Format here in the menu bar and select Conditional Formatting near the bottom. Click on that and that will open your Conditional Format Rules panel on the right side. So right now we are in the Single Color tab, but we're going to quickly switch to our color scale on the right side. There you have it. So it's quickly applied the color scale to our column right here, highlighting those higher values in green and lower values in white. We click right there. There you'll see it. We have the darkest here for 126%, and the lowest, which is white, is 58%. Now we can definitely use other colors for this one right here. We can go to the preview, and you will see the different color schemes that are ready for you to select. Now, this one right here, green to yellow to red, is a popular format or setup where we have our green as the highest, our yellow as our midpoint, and our red for our lowest. If we click on this one, there you have it. So for this one, it's actually the opposite. We have the minimum or the lowest value for our green and the maximum value for our red. But we can definitely switch that up by changing the color into red right here. Then our maximum value for our green right here. And there you have it. Still, we have our midpoint for the yellow color. If you want to change that again, you can do so. Just click on the right side and choose your color. But if you are satisfied with that, there you have it. We have instantly spotted the strong and weak performers with this color scale right here. So once you've chosen your color scale, just click on Done. And now your data is color-coded and much easier to read at a glance. And that's how you can make your data easier to read here in Google Sheets using your conditional formatting. Try applying color scales to other columns like tasks completed or hours worked to uncover even more insight. If you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.